Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Alinma bank app keeps stopping. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Alinma app and now tap on app info option and now tap on storage usage option on the top and tap on clear cache and then tap on clear data and now OK. Now cache and data has been cleared, so close the setting app and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and here tap on search option in the bottom right corner. Now tap on search bar on the top and here type Alinma and now OK. So here you will see update option, so simply update this app to the latest version by tapping on it. So this will fix the issue. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.